Labeling signage of equipment. It is very important for equipment to be labeled with the appropriate labels or signage and display the correct information. Labels signage includes equipment identity and status of calibration, cleaning, and operational readiness. These labels will be explained in the following screens. The equipment identity label allows you to identify the correct equipment to use in making or processing product batches. The equipment status signage provides information on its operational state or readiness for use. All equipment must be calibrated before being used. Calibration makes sure that the equipment is working correctly. For example, that a weighing balance is measuring the weight correctly. Calibrated equipment must be labeled clearly to inform other employees that it has been calibrated and when it is due to be recalibrated. Never use equipment that is outside the calibration date. Storage of labels. Label cages are a secure area in the facility for the storage and holding of labels. These are necessary to prevent mistakes and mix-ups of labels in the plant. Only authorized personnel are allowed access to this area. The removal of any labels must be recorded and documented. There will be different labels for all the different products manufactured in the plant. These need to be stored separately in the label cage to prevent the wrong label going on the wrong product. Labels for the same product, but for different dosage concentrations, also need to be stored separately. This is necessary to prevent labeling mix-ups, which can prove very costly and dangerous to consumer health.